Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Lucidchart templates for UX flowcharts step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Lucidchart website. Log into your Lucidchart account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the option to sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the template gallery. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type UX flowchart into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the available UX flowchart templates. Click on a template that catches your eye to view more details. Review the description and features of the template. If you decide to use this template, click the Use Template button. This will open the template in the Lucidchart editor. In the editor, you can personalize the flowchart to suit your needs. Once you are satisfied with the customizations, click on File in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select the Download as option. Choose the desired file format for your download. Follow the prompts to save the file to your computer. Your UX flowchart template is now saved and ready for use. Repeat these steps for any additional templates you would like to download. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.